Okay, some of you are wanting to know how I have these air horns mounted. And under the hood here, I've got the air pump. It's mounted directly to this where the computer is. I just drilled a hole down here, put the bolt through it, and mounted it. And the air hoses run down through here. I had to take this marker light out to run the hoses down under the truck. See, I've got the air horns mounted in these holes from the plastic balance. And that's about it. Okay, I'm going to show you how I have these lights mounted on the bumper. They're directly mounted to the bumper, drilled through the bumper, and put a bolt through on the bottom side. Up here you can see the nut that I have tightened down to hold the slot on, and same way on the other side. It's hard to get to, but they hold in place real nice.